Hello viewers, how are you? So I'm going to discuss have a very interesting discussion with you guys. Remember, as part of my complete success formula, I'm trying to find ways to go from 1 million to 5 million. And I have already told you, making 600-700k is not a big deal in this country, in America. 1 million is a little bit difficult. You can do that. You can still do that. I know many people by using a one business plus side gig. So I know, for example, in a restaurant, the guy opened a restaurant. I already told you that opening another restaurant is not a solution. I already told you that. So what he did is he started to, within the same kitchen, within the same infrastructure, he started to have one more line of business, in the sense that he started opening it up for commercial kitchen to others. He started using it as a commercial kitchen and started renting it, basically started a delivery service. So, but then he had to think of, like, he doesn't want to kill his clientele. So all those issues come into picture, but he started making good money. And I will open that entire formula to you one of these days. I've already told you some idea of that formula. If you guys really want it, I'll tell you how to. And these kind of formulas are existing in every business, and they will help you to go from 600 to 700k, 700 to 800k without doing too much extra work. That's the main idea, right? If you have to do double the work, then from 600 to 1 million, then that's not a great idea. So main thing is, you don't have to do just a little bit extra work and it becomes double. Now, having said this, and I already told you my formula is offshoring, right? So you guys know that. I'm on a quest to go from 1 million to 5 million. This is my quest in terms of revenue. And I also call it in terms of number of manpower I have, number of key people I have. I call it from 5 to 50. So I always had 5 people, and that helped me make $1 million plus. Now I'm trying to have 50 people so that I make 5 million. I don't expect to become 10 times, but I do expect to become at least 5 times. And I'm watching so many videos on YouTube and all that to determine what's the right way to go. I started this quest I started this quest 10 years back, and I failed miserably. Second time I failed miserably. Third time I failed miserably. And this time when I started doing that, when I started doing that, this is about 6-7 months back, and actually 1 year back, I coined a slogan from 5 to 50, and I've been working on that biggest program of my life. This is gonna be a life-changing experience, and it is a life-changing experience, and I want to share that with you, how I'm trying to go from 1 million to 5 million per year income. And it's not profit, and it's profit, not revenue. I don't care about revenue here. It's a small business. It is all profit based. And so I'm doing that. And yeah. So this is a pretty interesting journey. I call it from 5 to 50. That means from 5 key employees to 50 key employees. And then I'm also trying to go from so every key employee is supposed to make at least like 250 or 500,000 or $1 million. Good guys will make 1 million. Normal guys will make 500,000 to 250,000. So when they will do that, 50 people making that kind of money you clearly see the maths. It can definitely yield at least $5 million a year profit, right? Or net revenue, okay. So from that aspect, this is what my this thing is, my future journeys. And I sometimes would evaluate certain businesses, certain ideas in front of you, and from that aspect, I will talk a number of things. I will talk about a number of things with you guys. This is something that is an ongoing journey for me also. One of the most revolutionary ideas. So I started thinking about this 2 years back. About 6 months back, I got some traction. I found a guy. I came across a guy who takes complete ownership of the business, just as I would do. That's the main thing. You need people who are complete ownership, who have complete ownership of the business, who take complete ownership. So I've been experimenting, and these are all experiments, and you guys can learn from my experiments. That's the idea. In the future, till million per year, I will give the formula, and you can follow that and reach million per year in no time. 1 year. If you come to America, you can reach 1 million per year in maybe 1-2 years. That's it. Well, actually 600-700k in 1.5-2 years. 2 years. After that, there is a bit of an uphill task, right? And we have already been talking about it. Coming to 5 million, it's gonna be a very big task, and that's where my experimentation is. So I came across a guy. He's really good. I don't know in what senses I was that I broke all my norms and hired that guy on 7 times more salary than I would typically hire a guy. And I've for my $1 million formula, Again, I'm now sharing the formulas of this. Formula is for my business only, staffing business. And when you offshore, I use the formula of incentivizing all deals, all sales. So I was always in favor of good incentives and no salaries. For some reason, I came across a guy, a thorough gentleman, very suave, very professional, and I took the risk of giving him 5 times more salary, 6 times more salary than I would usually give. And very little incentives. So it's basically high salary, but no worrying about the incentives. And with that was a very successful thing, and I'm going to discuss more about it. What are the contributing factors? One of the and tell you like how it came out to be. That guy was super successful. He's taking my things to the next level, and everything is going well. Now, I have on the same lines. I've hired similar age group people. That's a very important thing. If you hire too young people, they can never take full responsibility. They are never that mature to really take the entire responsibility. So this is one key thing: 30 to 32 years of age. Okay, maximum 37, 38, 39. More than that can be a problem. So this is jiving with the principle that I learned long time back, that people, do achieve great things between 30 and 40. They come out with ideas before 30. Between 30 to 40, they really execute those formula. I know so many people who basically made it big in real estate or anything. And my goal is to make sure that these guys are on an enterprise. They maintain their enterprising journey with me. It's an entrepreneurial energy with me, and they should make 5 lakhs a month. That's my goal. Once they start making money for me, they should make 5 lakhs a month also. But anyway, that's different. Coming to our discussion. So so I have hired two more people in the same age group. They were professional, very professional. They were working in professional companies. My 22-year-old guys were not working somewhere. They were working in good jobs, but they were not really mature enough to handle the pressure. So these guys can handle the pressure also. They have something called as they can divide the problem into pieces and start conquering it. They have analytical skills to analyze the situations. They have the analytical skills to come up with a backup plan of their own. They have their own thought process. These are the things I'm noticing about them, and they are doing really well. They're doing really well about these. They are able to take an authoritative position, leadership position among the juniors and sub juniors. By the way, junior to me means people who have been with me for the 2 year, 1 years. Now but they're usually around 23, 24 years of age. That was my hiring policy: 22, 23, 24 years of age, and give them okay salaries but high incentives. Very high incentives. So I kept on experimenting on the mediums. I call those sales people. They were the actual sales people who were bringing sales. I'll if you want, I will share my experimentation with you. I 6 times I failed while creating this team, this winning team of great mediums, and kept on perfecting the formula. It was never perfect. There was always some issue, and now we have a very good formula. Coming to the same thing, from this standpoint, what you call it, management stand. So I call these people, as 32 people, as managers, and they're as I said, their maturity level is different, their professionalism level is different, their ability to, they are much more grounded in one way. So these are the things that I'm noticing, and that is part of my experiment. It is working really well. It's been a month that I hired two more people. And I see that their way of talking, their everything is improving. I'm also learning on the way what to tell them, because I've never hired managers like that before. I hired 22, 23, 24-year-old people. I did not hire senior people. So this is the first time it's kind of working out really nice. And we started using tools about 6 months back. We use Notion for CRM. We use Notion for task management also. We evaluated ClickUp for task management. It is a great tool for task management, but we stopped using that because Notion integration was needed. So I said, okay, instead of using Notion integration, I'll use Notion itself. And plus, I don't have to set up employees in 2 systems. For SOP also, I'm going to use Notion. So pretty much Notion is becoming my system of records. I've also bought Google Workforce I've also bought MS Teams, Google Workforce, for giving them a central login for Google Drive management. I tried to do Google Drive management by creating personal email IDs. It doesn't work. they this kind of is not so good. So that's the thing, you may. So when a 5 people team, I did not need tools. I was just working with the regular tools, and now I'm realizing for everything I need enterprise level tools. I was using MS. So Zoom gives free meetings, and there are some super cheap softwares, but MS Teams is superb. It's working out nice. I'm using MS Teams for meetings. It records. It does so many things. Everything is like pretty good. So these are the tools that I've introduced. Another one is Slack. Instead of WhatsApp, I've started using Slack. By the way, WhatsApp is very easy to use. Everything is great, but it was great for 5 people company. But when it's in a 50 people company, I needed something better. I chose Slack. Slack is awesome. You can put reminders. You can do so many things. You can keep track of, it's pretty much record keeping, except does not a record. Your conversations is around a thread, and it works really well. So those are the tools. And I wish I had started making this vlog long time back, and I would have told you what problems I'm facing in the tools itself. One of these days, I'm sure I'll face some issue, and then I'll think of the considerations again, and I'll tell you more about the tools. For now, I'm facing issues about the resources and managing those resources, managing the scope of work. And I'll share information about those things with you. I'm sure you would like it. This is pretty good. When I was looking for a guy just like me who knows how to go from 5 to 50. My experimentation, my journey along the way would be an exciting journey, and I'm very happy to make you guys a part of it. Thank you, guys.